I have a map data structure here, and in Swift, when I'm getting a value of a key, Swift will return me a value which is wrapped in optional type. For example, when I'm getting the value for the key 1, as you see, I'm getting optional this. Optional chain operator allows to apply the functions on the wrapped value. For example, if we want to apply the uppercase function over the wrapped string, we need to use optional chain operator. We cannot directly do dot uppercase because map1 is not returning a string, but it returns optional string. If we want to use the dot operator, we need to explicitly unwrap the optional. So we can use the exclamation mark, which explicitly enforces unwrapping of the optional value, and then use the dot operator afterwards. Let's put back the question mark dot operator and see what is the type of map1 question mark dot uppercase. It seems its type is optional string. So I might be tempted to write question mark dot count, because as you saw, map1 dot uppercase was optional. So I can use the optional chain on the optionals, but why I'm getting an error here? It seems Swift does a little bit magic here and considers the value of map1 question mark dot uppercase as unwrapped value, and we cannot continue doing question mark dot on that. In order to enforce considering map1 question mark dot uppercase still as an optional value, we need to put that expression inside a parentheses. If we do that, then you will see we can use again an optional chain operator on map1 uppercase. So what is the takeaway from this video? When I have an optional value, I can use question mark dot to apply the functions that are defined over the wrapped value. The type of the entire expression after applying the optional chain operator would be optional. However, I no longer need to use question mark dot to continue chaining. In fact, that will be considered an error, and I simply put dot afterwards to continue applying other operations.